Hey there! In this training video, we will explain how to download the designs to the SceneTouch panel. We're in the main screen of the ST7 and the device is showing a default page. We tap on the space and hold our finger until the menu for entering the pin appears. In this menu, we type the default pin 123 and press OK. We are now entering the editor mode. We press the setting button on the top right corner. Next, we need to fetch our Scene Studio designs to ST7. We start by disabling Ethernet in the Settings tab. We enter the Ethernet setting. We're going to toggle this Ethernet port to disable the state. We then go back to Settings menu. At this stage, we turned off the Ethernet port and we need to connect to the internet over Wi-Fi, so we click on the settings for it. We enable the Wi-Fi if it's disabled and connect to our internet. We can use our mobile phone as a hotspot if needed. When connected, click the arrow back. We close the setting by pressing the X. Click for screen management. I need to log into my account to download the screen we created on the dedicated SceneTouch website. This website is dedicated to creating new screen pages. Press login. I will type my credential for my Scene Studio account and press OK. I've logged into my Scene Studio account and will click the plus sign to add more designs. My folder structure will open and I can choose which screen to load. I will click Peter Home. Then click London Project City. I'm interested in uploading the London room design that I created for this training video. I will click the download symbol. This project is now installed on this device. I will press the X to leave this menu. We now need to activate our design. I will toggle to disable the template and activate my downloaded design. I will press the arrow back. And I will also exit this menu. I can now edit the button if any adjustments are needed, or just exit the editor mode by pressing the X. My new design is now ready to use.